Well,
You got your
but
dahlias.
yeah. We keep this house at about 55 at nighttime. So we put
Callies.
plants that grow too fast up here, try to slow them down a little bit so we don't have to chop them back or use too much growth regulator. These fuchsias, they shipped us as rooted cuttings when we ordered unrooted cuttings that we would root here. So they're like a few weeks ahead of schedule. We already had to chop them back once.
Yeah, I see that.
Actually, twice. We chopped them back right when we got them and stuck it.
10 inch?
These are 12 inch.
They are?
Yeah, the small baskets are.
Oh,
10
okay.
inch. We do the 12 inch combo.
These are your moneymaker, right?
Yeah, I mean, we usually get rid of them all. Osteos.
Osteo, yeah. Licorice. You got some, what is that, ice plant?
Yeah, they didn't
Ice
send
plants.
us tags. We
I want,
our sales
can I
person.
buy some plants today?
So we're not gonna have enough.
See how good everything's growing? Did you guys spray it with growth regulator yet or no?
Not this stuff yet. Well, we hit the wave
Fuchsia.
petunias today.
Okay.
The wave and a seed petunia that we grow called Madness. But this
Does
is
it
our last
grow?
year doing that. Seed petunias are done.
Never again? Just
I don't
getting
know.
cuttings?
They don't compete with other petunias. I don't think. So
This is a
we
nice,
did last year doing that. I mean, waves we'll always do from seed, but the other ones.
yeah. Yeah, but everything's pretty uniform. You know how to, you've been doing this a few years, huh?
He has.
That's a cool. So you got perennials and stuff in here?
Yeah, this is mostly perennials. All the gallon perennials we get in as their root stock, or some of them we get in as like rooted liners.
What do you keep the temperatures like in here? 50s?
In here it's like 50, I would say, 50-degree nights. All of our thermostats are like super ghetto, and there's no easy way to read what.
Yeah, everything's super uniform.
Strawberries, ton of strawberries.
Are these just the ornamental ones? Oh no, they
No, those are fruiting.
ever-bearing. Nice. Oh, these guys.
Where is that?
Bleeding Heart, I think.
I believe so.
Yeah.
That's fun.
Snaps.
I gotta print a lot of these. Our tag vendors don't carry certain things, or they only carry them in giant tags like this. We're not gonna put like a giant expensive tag in a tiny cheap pot. So we have a label printer up there. Perennials.
Yeah, strawberries and pots.
Yeah, this
hand
is
baskets.
the first year we've done them in a while. I can remember at least.
Lots of delphiniums and
I went
snaps.
crazy seeding them because they're so hard to get to germinate.
So you did a
I
lot.
just like seeded all of our delphiniums. The seed was really expensive, but
Oh.
it's Leatris.
That's
Probably want a garden if we're stuck at home.
Yeah,
Word, yeah.
You've been going hard now.
Yeah. Stuff to do every day. There's not really any
It's
points
farming
in time
season.
where you're just like caught up.
You got lupin?
Yeah. This is for 6-packs. No, it's just a dibbler.
Oh,
Once we fill
nice.
the tray, you can go through and poke all the holes in the soil with it.
That's pretty cool. Smart.
The hot bench, run this one at around 65. Seed germination.
What do you
and
got here? Begonias. and-
Yeah, tuberous begonias there, and then like our first planting of peppers and tomatoes out here in 288. So
And then you transfer them into,
we
transplant
do
into.
6-packs, 806s, which is a 10-20 tray with 8 6-packs in it, and then 4-inch 2. And so
Yeah.
we do like one variety, we'll do 1/2 and 6-inch and 1/2 inch.
Lots of fuchsia baskets in here. What are these guys? Onions or something?
Yeah,
You sell a lot of these?
good amount. Yeah.
You sell them. You grow them in the peat pots, huh?
Yeah, these are the
They do-
1201 trays, and
What do you do? 20
I don't
seeds
know why
and
he switched to these like cardboard ones.
the peat. Yeah,
I think he said he bought them at like a show, a few boxes of them. So we
trying
didn't-
them out.
Yeah, so
I'd like to show them what
this
it's
one,
like.
this one wasn't powered with a 9-volt battery, but those things are like the most expensive batteries in the world. So we wired it into an old cell phone charger.
Nice. Yeah,
Back up in
there's
the fridge.
cool soil there. Show them.
Yeah. This is
Then it-
low. You kind of
It
speed
vibrates.
it up by angle. You can speed up the vibration too.
That's how the seeds would drop in the
And you
bags.
just gotta
See, that's cool.
get your pacing right.
Yeah,
And I'll,
that's your cedar,
empty
right?
Tray, yeah, I could.
What do you got trellised over there?
That's all clematis and some calocasia behind it.
Calocasia.
It's like elephant ears.
Oh yeah, yeah. Artichoke, yeah. So they look a lot like cucurbit when they germinate. I guess I've
Yeah.
never really grown artichoke.
These things are.
That's
like
the
straight money. The
fragrant
citronella,
drink. Yeah. We got one in the botanical
We
house.
just keep a couple stock plants in here over winter and let them.
We should
let
be,
them get big, and we just abuse these things. Like,
but they keep growing back.
yeah.
We have.
Sorry, what were you gonna say?
We've got one at the botanical collection. We should be doing this.
Yeah, cut it. It roots easy. We use a 5% rooting hormone, and
Mhm.
we root it right into 72s. It's like that,
Yeah.
that size, and then move it up. We get $7 a pot for those 6-inch ones.
That's pretty good. What else you got? You got everything here,
We got
really.
a lot going on right here.
So these are-
This is the tomato. This is where the tomatoes are. So all the tops peppers.
You say these are 288s, all these?
Yeah.
Yeah. You do
So we
that
do a
for a
lot.
lot of stuff,
A
huh?
lot of, well,
What do you got there?
it's not like weed. We go with all them. Yeah, that's Hypoestus, or polka dot plant.
That's pretty cool. Polka dots.
Separate them.
What do you got under there?
Those are cool.
Oh, ferns.
Yeah.
They don't want much light in the start.
What do you got? Mandevilla?
Oh, yeah.
You gonna trellis these bad boys?
Probably.
Yeah.
Um,
Whoa, lots of sweet potato vine.
People love
I know, we only
It
got the
kills
lighter
me.
color stuff this
well,
year.
they're the more popular, but you gotta do
Dahlias. What's your temperature in here?
This one we run warmer, yeah.
You got a lot-
Uh,
A lot of humidity too,
like
it feels.
63 or something.
This thing's
Yeah.
Clover or something.
Oxalis, yeah, it's a clover. Just use like.
So this is mojito
spearmint or
mint?
something.
This
This
is
is
That is-
strawberry mint.
Does it really?
I don't know.
'Cause it
It's
grows like
it's kinda
strawberries, or-
sweet. Yeah, smell it.
Smaller leaves.
I guess it's kind
It's
of
kinda
got a
sweeter.
You
strawberry.
can smell it? Oh yeah.
Tried a different type of upright fuchsia. We always get the Gardenmeister, those ones. We tried a green leaf one this time.
Portulaca, yeah. What type of?
These are Gardenmeister fuchsia, so they're like a upright, taller fuchsia.
They got those
12 or
tubular
16
flowers.
Yeah, kind of a neat shade plant with some height.
A lot of begonia baskets in here.
I think that's pretty much everything in here.
So you got some, yeah.
Freedom Angelina, so must have fallen on the ground in previous years and it's kind of taken over and everyone asked for it. So it's probably just some more.
And it just comes back every year, huh?
Yep, it's hardy. Same with this one.
Dug
Nice.
it out.
This is where we root things mainly. We got these ones. They don't look like they're doing great.
They're doing pretty
They'll
good.
come back, yeah.
Nice. You got a little hook that just holds it
Yeah,
up like
well,
that.
We go down, we can with all of them, and then we put the,
Put those over.
yeah, we got automatic misters. It's controlled by the super common system, but
It works.
it works, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are the sun patients.
What about this guy? Is that also that's
That's pineapple sage. Yeah, that's the one
Sage.
that smells like pineapple. If you rub
Oh,
it,
really?
smell your fingers.
My,
I think we're okay to touch plants, right? No
I
one's
haven't
going.
been smoking tobacco or anything. Or...
Yeah, I mean with the virus.
Oh no, yeah, they're fine.
The automatic missiles
Is that
are
passion
essential.
flower?
Yeah. We caught grief for not having it last year when we usually do, so I ordered a ton this year.
Good job,
And
El.
this, he does like all of our PW stuff and just most of our plant material stuff. Hooked it up.
Yeah.
Because we've never used them before, I don't think.
You got not Clement. Cleome.
Cleome.
Yeah, I'm like
There you go.
It's coming. You heard it coming.
This is some stuff I just dug up, like some moss that's growing.
These are
on
funky.
on the north side of number 7. I'll show it to you. I just dug it up. I was like,
You keeping it on the bench though, not under them.
we'll see how they do. I guess I could put it under. That's not a bad idea.
Yeah, it's moss, huh?
Well, I don't know. He's got his
Ferns.
ferns in the low light. I just was wondering. These more petunias right here, wave petunias.
Yeah, that's all the wave and seed petunias that we got us
It's a lot.
transplanted. It's a fair amount.
Fair amount.
Just 288
Well,
times.
we had a problem with ants on our warmer heat bench.
Really?
In there, which is
An odd
also
pest
just
to
about
have, right?
yeah, they were carrying out seeds.
Really? That's aw-
We were
no
looking, I was
way.
like, I just seeded this yesterday, and the seeds have disappeared from. Because I saw some ants, and we treated it, and I was like, "What are the worst ants
It's
gonna
an
do on
ant.
like a germination bench?" And they made away with a bunch of seeds.
They're
We had to
they
buy
must
all
have been
new
eating 'em, right? Like-
Gerber daisy seeds. Which are
That's
expensive.
wild.
They're super expensive.
Oh,
And
they
we
ate the
had to
good
buy,
stuff
like,
too.
Yeah.
Wow.
1,000 more Gerber seeds. We had
Coleus, lots of Coleus.
Close, right?
Yeah.
There we go.
What's it in here? Like 65, 70?
Right now it's 61 something. I would say around 65. We
Geraniums.
had New Guinean patients in here. The first thing we had in here, we rooted them, just transplanted them into 4-inch, and the furnace went out the other night.
They all died?
Yeah, and they all died, which was
Wow.
tragic. So we got some
50% loss, total loss?
total loss.
Total
Yeah,
loss.
it got down to like 24 or something.
Oh my God.
That sucks.
They were fried. I found like 3 plants that somehow made it amongst like a couple, like 1,000 or whatever.
Yeah.
We had them all in 4-inch already too.
Or else this would be a lot more full in here, huh?
Yeah, we'd have quite a bit more.
You got your
Yeah, they
lantana.
didn't send us tags for them for some reason. Yeah, less than last year. I think there's still like one late planting of just a few 288s transplanted like that.
They're a cool other crop, huh? Pansies.
Yeah, we keep
and
this one
violas.
bare at like 40 degrees at night.
You got lots of different varieties though.
This probably isn't enough, I don't know.
Not as much as
Probably
last year
didn't-
though. I think
I
you had
didn't-
like a full house.
Order as many seeds. I thought we had more left over than we
You
did.
did the ordering?
Yeah, I did all the ordering this year and all the seeding too up until yesterday. My dad did a few things.